From seed to sweetness, your guide to growing plums from seed. Ever dreamed of biting into a juicy, homegrown plum? It's easier than you think. In this video, we'll take you step by step through the process of growing your own plum tree from seed. Get ready to embark on a rewarding gardening adventure. Growing plums from seed is a long game, but the reward is worth the wait. Unlike grafting, growing from seed means you'll get a unique plum tree, potentially with new and exciting characteristics. Let's dive into the science behind it. Plum seeds require a period of cold stratification to break dormancy. This mimics the natural winter conditions they experience in the wild. Without this cold period, the seed won't germinate. First, you'll need some plum seeds. The best time to collect them is in late summer or early fall when the plums are ripe. Choose plums from a tree that produces fruit you enjoy. Carefully remove the pit from the plum. Clean off any remaining fruit pulp. This will help prevent mold and decay during stratification. Now comes the crucial step, stratification. This process tricks the seed into thinking it's been through winter. It's essential for successful germination. Place the cleaned plum pits in a container filled with moist, not wet, peat moss or vermiculite. A plastic bag or container with a lid works well. Store the container in your refrigerator, not the freezer, for 120 days. The ideal temperature is between 33 degrees Fahrenheit and 41 degrees Fahrenheit, 0.5 degrees Celsius and 5 degrees Celsius. Check the moisture level periodically and add a little water if needed. After the stratification period, it's time to plant your seeds. Prepare a small pot with well-draining potting mix. A mix of potting soil, perlite, and vermiculite is ideal. Plant the stratified plum pit about an inch deep in the soil. Water gently, making sure the soil is moist but not waterlogged. Place the pot in a warm, sunny location. Germination can take anywhere from a few weeks to a few months, so be patient. Once your plum seedling emerges, it's important to provide proper care. Water regularly, allowing the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Fertilize your seedling with a balanced liquid fertilizer every few weeks. This will provide the nutrients it needs to grow strong and healthy. Protect your young plum seedling from frost and extreme temperatures. A greenhouse or sheltered location is ideal. After a year or two, your plum seedling will be ready to transplant into a larger pot or directly into the ground. Choose a sunny location with well-draining soil. Dig a hole that is twice as wide and as deep as the root ball. Gently remove the seedling from its pot and place it in the hole. Backfill the hole with soil and water thoroughly. Mulch around the base of the tree to help retain moisture and suppress weeds. Growing plums from seed requires patience. It can take several years for your tree to produce fruit. But the satisfaction of harvesting your own homegrown plums is well worth the wait. Continue to water, fertilize, and prune your plum tree as needed. Protect it from pests and diseases. With proper care, you'll be enjoying delicious plums for years to come. While growing from seed is rewarding, it can take a long time to get fruit. If you want to speed things up, consider grafting a branch from a known plum variety onto your seedling. Grafting allows you to combine the strong rootstock of your seedling with the desirable fruit characteristics of a specific plum variety. This can significantly reduce the time it takes for your tree to produce fruit. We'll cover grafting in a future video. Growing plums from seed is a rewarding journey that connects you to nature and provides the satisfaction of nurturing life from a tiny seed. While it requires patience and care, the eventual reward of homegrown plums is truly special. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Share this video with your fellow gardening enthusiasts, and let's grow together.